Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, I'm data analyst, and in this video I'm going to share with you top Python libraries for every data scientist or analyst. So it's not a secret that Python is super popular programming language as it has easy syntax, it's adjustable, and according to PyPL index, Python is the most popular language worldwide as of August 2021. So it means that Python tutorials were searched most often. So if you still decide which language to study, keep that in mind. There are two indexes that show a language popularity, and according to the data, Python took top position, and TIOB index shows the rise of its popularity, and based on PyPL index, Python is still on the first place. So the first Python library is Pandas. Probably you expected to hear this name because it's really one of the most popular library. It's being widely used today for solving data science and machine learning problems. With Pandas you can load, prepare, manipulate and analyze all kinds of structured data. Plus, Pandas has so many inbuilt methods for grouping, combining, concatenating data and filtering, and it really has a wide variety of tools for analysis. Main features offered by Pandas include fast and efficient data frame object for data manipulation, pivoting and filtering of data sets, merging, combining, concatenating, joining data, and one more important thing, work with time series data.
So many.
This library ensures high functionality and good amount of flexibility. Moreover, machine learning libraries also revolve around Pandas data frame as an input. So if you need best data analysis and manipulation tool, install Pandas. I asked my friends who work as data analysts what libraries do they use, and almost all of them answered that they use Pandas in 90% of their work. As for me, one of the part of my work is collecting data from open sources. That's why I also use parser libraries. So if you're interested in this topic, I mean parser libraries, please write in the comments below. I'll do a separate video. Next is Numpy. Numpy is mainly used for its support for n-dimensional arrays, and Numpy is easy to use and it makes complex mathematical calculations very simple. We can do any operations on Numpy arrays, for example subtractions and divisions, find mean, median, etc. So, array interface and built-in functions for mathematical calculations are the most important features of Numpy. I should say that Numpy supplies many libraries of high-level mathematical functions that operate on arrays and matrices, but still, if you need higher level of data analysis, please use Pandas. Next library is SciPy. SciPy is a library that uses Numpy. It's mainly used for scientific and mathematical functions. It uses Numpy arrays as a basic data structure, and it comes with modules for various commonly used tasks in data science and data analysis. So SciPy provides modules for optimization, statistics, linear algebra, integrations. So SciPy allows users to manipulate and visualize data. Guys, I found some nice articles on introduction to these libraries. I will leave the links below, so if you're interested, follow them. The next library is Matplotlib. This is one of the most popular visualization library for Python, and it allows data scientists or data analysts to understand some kind of data more properly, as it lets you to visualize your data. So basically you're able to make any visualization like histogram, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, etc. So Matplotlib is for static, animated and interactive visualization. This is guides page. You can see the examples of visualization here. It's broken up into beginner, intermediate and advanced section. This is the best library to start learning such topics. I will put the link in the description. To sum up, this library can help you to create any visualization. And the last library that I want to tell you about is Beautiful Soap. It is a partial library. It means that it's for web scraping projects, but in terms of my work, this library is really important. Plus, It's very simple even for beginner level users. So it is used to extract information from HTML files. So at least you should know the name of this library. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. Please click the like button if you like this video, click subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you soon in the next videos.